Hi student, welcome back to my Olympiad math problem. X into under root x is equal to 1. We are finding value of x. Now we are starting our solution. Our question is x into under root x is equal to 1. So this will be x into power 1 into x into power 1 divided by 2. Under root is also equal to 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So this will be x into power 1 is equal to 1. Now x into power 1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1. According to Olympiad math problems or method, x into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now x into 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and this will be x into 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 square. Now this will be x square. Now x into 3 divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. 1 square is 1. This 2 cut by this remain x into 3, and x into 3 is equal to 1. Now x into 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. This move to this side. A into 3 minus b into 3 is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now x into 3 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 0. This will be x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 1, and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We solve this side. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. Now we use this formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we are putting value in this formula. After putting, we get x is equal to minus 1 into plus minus under the root 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root minus 3 divided by 2. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 square is 1, 4 minus 1 is also minus 3. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root 3 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root 3 into under root minus 1 divided by 2. Under the root of minus 1 is also equal to iota. This step is very important. Now we put this, replace with this, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root 3 into iota divided by 2. So in next step, x is equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus under the root 3 iota divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 1 minus under the root 3 iota divided by 2. Now these two are our value of x, and this x is equal to 1. This is our value of x. These two are our complex solution. This is our simple solution. So this will be w and this w square. So this is our three values of x. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion about this, write in comment box. This is very simple and tricky method to solve this problem. Our value of x is equal to 1.